Hi! In this video we are going to see the concept of expressions that allow us to perform some kind of operations by using variables. In this case, we define an expression as a combination of values or variables and some operators that performs some kind of result between these values or variables. Here you can see an expression in which the value 4 is multiplied by the result of taking the variable x and taking the difference of 3. In this case, as you can observe, we can mix values 4 and 3, we can use variables x, and we have operands, this, and operators, in this case, the multiplying or the difference. So these are expressions in order to write some code. Here you have some of the most popular arithmetic operators that allow us to perform arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and other operators that can be used. Here you have a simple example in order to understand how to write code and how to use operators. So, first of all, we define two variables, a that we assign the value 1 and b that we assign value 2. That's easy. But we are going to think as the memory of the program in this way. Let's think that here we represent the memory, and here we define at this point two variables, a and b, that have two values, in this case 1 and 2. So next we define another variable t, and we assign the value a to this variable. So in this case, in the memory, another container is created for the variable t, and the value that is assigned is the same value that a has at this point, in this case 1. Next, we do this instruction. We assign to the variable a the current value of b. So, since we have an already space in memory for a, we just need to delete the current value and assign the new value, which is the value of b, in this case 2. Then we perform the following instruction that take into account that this is an expression. So here we modify the value of variable b, deleting the current value, by the result of performing this operation. T minus 1, in this case t is 1, and the result of this operation is 0. So the value assigned to variable b at this point is 0. And finally we perform this operation. A, the value is modified by the current value of a by adding 3. In this case we delete the 2 and add the result of performing this operation. In this case 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So if here, after this instruction, we put some print of the value of a, it will show 5, since this is the current value at this point. If we print the value of b, it will show 0, and if we print the value of t, it will show 1. This is some instructions in order to perform expressions and assignments of variables. Just a last thing, take into account that this statement, a equal a plus 3, can be written also as this. A plus equal 3 is the same. That's because it's expected to be a more easier way to write, and you will see in so many times this syntax. So basically, expressions allow us to combine variables and values in order to perform some kind of operations. These expressions can be used in different parts of our code in order to obtain some results. Thanks for watching.